If you need any kind of repair work done on any kind of electronic item, we are the place to go in the Lynbrook, New York area. At iFixScreens, Lynbrook, we offer same-day services for all of your repair needs. From iPhone repair to Samsung repair, MacBook repair, smartwatch repair, Apple Watch repair, laptop repair, tablet repair, and iPad repair. We also offer gaming console repairs that include Nintendo Switch repairs, Xbox repairs, and PlayStation repairs. With our certified technicians and low cost of repairs, you'll be able to fix your device quickly and affordably, especially iPhone repair in Lynbrook, New York. You can even opt for our walk-in service or mail-in service if it's more convenient for you. Whether it's a broken screen, dead battery, broken camera, or lost data, we can fix it. And we guarantee the lowest repair prices in New York at our iFixScreens, Lynbrook location. We've been working in the gadget repair industry for more than a decade now, so we know what it takes to get your device fixed right and fast. We offer convenient service options like mail-in repair and curbside repair. Plus, we use only high-quality parts that meet OEM standards. This means you can have confidence in the quality of our work every time. So when life gets tough, and let's be honest, it does, we're here for you with easy service options and top-notch repairs from iFixScreens, Lynbrook. If you're ready to get started on fixing up your gadget today, get in touch with us by calling our phone at 516-730-8932, or go to our website at www.ifixscreens.com/location/Lynbrook-NY. Let our expert technicians help you with your iPhone screen replacement in Lynbrook, New York.